In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at how to open Spitfire plugins in Reason. This process will vary slightly depending on whether your library has a dedicated plugin or if it opens using Contact Full or Contact Player. If you are uncertain which type of library yours is, you can check on the product page in the Spitfire website or refer to our article linked in the description of this video. Regardless of what type of library you're looking for, you will want to first ensure that you've downloaded the library via the Spitfire Audio app and followed the relevant instructions that were included with your purchase email. Further instructions on the download and installation process is available in other tutorials on our Clips channel or in articles in the Spitfire Audio Support Center linked in this video description. If your Spitfire library has a dedicated plugin, you will have the option to either add an instrument to your Reason rack or to add it to your sequencer. In either case, first we will click the plus sign to add, then select Instruments from the pop-up menu, and depending on your library, you will find it listed under either Spitfire Audio or SA Recordings. Click your selected library and it will add the plugin to your Reason session. By default, the standard plugin view will not display. If you want to see the standard plugin view, you can either double-click the track inside your sequencer or click the Open button within your Reason rack. If you are loading Contact Player, you will add your version of Contact in your rack or sequencer. Find your version of Contact in the list under Native Instruments and click to add. You may load either Contact Player, which is the free version, or a full version of Contact if you've purchased this from Native Instruments as shown in this example. Open up Contact by clicking Open in your Reason rack or by double-clicking the track in your sequencer, then simply browse through the library section. Beneath the artwork, choose Instruments and double-click to load. If you are using Contact 7 and prefer to use the rack view, you can find your plugin by browsing the list and selecting the bank on the right-hand side. If you're opening a library that requires the full version of Contact, you will load this by browsing the Files tab within Contact. If you're using Contact 7, we recommend using the old browser view instead of rack view. Once you have loaded your full version of Contact into your software instrument track, then click on the Files tab. You will then need to browse to where you have installed your library folder. Then simply open the folder, select your instrument and double-click to load, and then you're all set to go.
Thanks for watching Spitfire Clips. Let us know if it was too long, too short, too fast or too slow in the comments down below. Hit like if we answered your question and subscribe for more clips, tips, tricks and exclusive Spitfire content.